Internet marketing for beginners. Make internet marketing work effectively for you to increase profitability. Internet marketing is only as effective as the skill and knowledge you possess to make it work effectively for your business. Learn how to increase your profits through professional tactics and strategies. Wouldn't you like to outrank and outsell your competition? Well, the ebook Internet Marketing for Beginners will give you the wisdom and insight you need to improve your market share and take control of your marketplace niche. You will learn how to expand awareness of your business, generate new customers, and increase your client base, with the overall objective of more business income. Understanding internet marketing is the key to your success. We want to show you how to take control of your internet marketing efforts in a way that will produce visible and significant results. Did you know that online sales are now approximately $5,000 million annually across the globe? Wouldn't you like to jump into the action and get your proper share of that money? If so, grab your copy of Internet Marketing for Beginners now so you can learn exactly the actions you need to take to successfully market your product or service on the web. We will provide you with all the critical information you need to implement or improve your online marketing program so that you can maximize your reach within the proper channels while minimizing your cost. You will discover all the valuable secrets of how to take advantage of the best opportunities for the greatest results. With Internet Marketing for Beginners, you will receive professional instruction on the following crucial subjects: how Internet marketing began, Internet marketing basics, advantages of marketing on the web, limitations of Internet marketing, changing trends of web marketing, the driving force of Internet marketing, tried and trusted strategies and tips, securing and retaining customers, and much, much more. A dynamic and powerful approach to successfully spearheading your web marketing strategy with Internet Marketing for Beginners. Click link below to download the ebook.